guys, so today I have this blonde streaked wig where a majority of this wig is black, but I have like a blonde peekaboo color going on in the front. So basically what I'm going to do is go ahead and secure the wig down by, of course, using holding spray. Now this wig is not transparent or HD or clear lace or anything like that. I did bleach the knots, even though the blonde side of this wig did not have to be bleached because, I mean, of course, it's blonde. But I did go ahead and bleach the knots because I noticed that the lace on this wig was a little too light for my skin tone, and it was just not doing it for me. So the lace did blend into my skin a little bit better once I applied the holding spray, but I do wish that this wig would have came on a more better type of lace, such as like transparent or at least HD. It just would have made the blending process a lot better. But anyways, I'm not going to let that stop me because I definitely want to see what this wig is giving, because the hair texture is really full and thick. So maybe I'll be able to fix the discoloration on the lace a little later in the video. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted to do a middle part and have like the blonde color in the front just going down both sides, but then I changed my mind and said I wanted to do like a side part with a deeper bang or a big bang. So I decided to do the side part and start by flat ironing the hair. Now this is, or it feels like it's just a normal density bob wig, but the front of this hair has a little bit more texture. It's kind of weird. Like you guys will see it throughout the video where the side that I'm flat ironing right now isn't as full, but I mean it's full, but it's not as full compared to the side where it has a lot more hair, of course. But it just feels like the texture is a little bit more on the thicker side. So I feel like this would be the perfect look for a big bang. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten my hair and I'll be back. So I can already tell that this wig is definitely transforming. So I wanted to do a close-up on the parting space with this wig and the hairline. So throughout the video, I am trying to not apply the hot comb on my bangs because I want my bang or the front of this wig to be on the fuller side. So I don't want to flatten it too much, and I definitely don't want to add like too much of the wax stick because it'll just make it hard for the bang to form in the direction that I needed to form. So I did have to go in and clean up the part just to make it a little bit more on the fuller side and just, a little wider and just make it look a little bit more natural. Also, I did notice that okay, I was having a little issue with the lace blending into my skin on this side. It was a little too light, so what I decided to do was add a baby hair just to cover up the light lace, which was an easy fix, of course. So originally I was going to go in with a side part with a big bang, and that's why I was cutting like layers in the front of this hair because the hair is so full in the front. but I could not get the lace to blend into my skin. So what I just, look at the bang. The bang is so pretty. I really do wish that look would have worked. But anyways, what I decided to do was take off the wig and add a lot of foundation powder to the actual lace to try to make the lace darker. And it did work, but I feel like because the lace was so light, I did need like darker foundation or actual tinting spray, which I did not have. So what I had to do was actually go in and cut off a lot of the lace, but the wig actually turned out really, really pretty, y'all. And I'm so happy that I took off the wig and made these adjustments. So as you can see, I decided to stick with the same side part, but I did curve the part instead, and I made it just a little bit deeper. And as you can see, me cutting off that extra lace has already transformed the wig, y'all. So glad I did this because, oh girl, it was not doing it at first, but this y'all, this wig is going to be so pretty and so versatile. So I definitely think I want to add like a little peekaboo blonde right here on the side and swoop that going to the back. Now, like I said earlier, this wig has a lot of hair, especially in the front. So what I decided to do was go in with a hot comb and make sure the wig is super flat. Okay, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This wig transformation is bomb. I am so glad I took this wig off, honey, and redid this wig because this wig is absolutely gorgeous, especially the style that I did with this wig. Also, I should note or let you guys know that this wig has the perfect amount of blonde in it. As you can see, if I run my fingers through this hair, I get more blonde. If I comb my hair in a certain direction and I don't want as much blonde, I can definitely like tone it down if I don't want like a whole bunch of blonde. If I want a lot of blonde, I can push my hair back and girl, boom, I got a lot of blonde. So I don't know if they did this on purpose, but I like it. So yeah, this is cute. And I love the versatility with this wig. And I actually like the little peekaboo of blonde in the front. And I think I'm gonna wear it just like this because I like this look, as you can hear. And then also I like how I cut the side of the hair too because I really didn't know what I was doing, y'all. But this hair has so much volume, especially the side going behind my ear. So yes, girl, I did that. So anyways, this is the final look to this beautiful wig. I will leave everything below in the description bar. If you want to check out this wig, I would highly suggest you get some sort of tinting spray or have an idea on how you're going to tint the lace because the lace is on the light side, and that is why I had to remove a lot of the lace because it just was not blending in with my skin. But overall, this is a good quality lace frontal wig. As you can see, it blends now into my skin and it looks super good. So yeah, check out that description bar. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.